Back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm playing Hive Bedwars solo, guys. Please make sure to like and subscribe because it helped me a lot. And also, guys, I'm playing in keyboard and mouse. Wait, I'm gonna mute first tab. Wait, I don't. Yeah, I have to. Wait, never mind. Sorry, I couldn't be friendly. It's illegal to be friendly. Let's go. I need block. Oh, lot of. Hello, why are you waiting here? Get out! Go to the fight. Sorry. Bad idea. Come here. Bad idea. Bad idea. Get out. Hey, I need this one. Yeah. Don't. Oh, I'm cooked. Gotta destroy this bed. I need iron armor. What you gotta do? He's coming. You gotta get fast. Don't play with your silly tricks. No! Wait, I just fell. Just literally shoot me with a bow. Let's go. 5, okay, that's enough. Is he there? No, he's going somewhere. Hey, I'm getting in your bedroom. Don't mind, never mind. Bye. Like, get stuff. No. Oh my goodness. Who the heck did that? Oh, never mind. Shit. What the heck was he with that? Go back to the void. Yo. 2v1. I'm cooked. No. I gotta run. Oh no. This is bad. I might just get cooked right now. I got a 1v1 with him. I need to win this. Yeah, bye. Go to the void. Yeah, GG guys. I won the game. Please drop a like and subscribe button. It helped me a lot. Thanks guys. Bye.